Oh, what do we have here? Entitled Karen causes scene in hotel lobby and ends badly.
On September 26, 2025, officers responded to a hotel for a call of a guest causing a disturbance.
Hey guys.
Ain't nothing like a drunk woman getting kicked out of a rich hotel.
Yes, it
And she's hot.
is on the like thing over there.
It's by the hotel and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna stay here.
She has a resting drunk face. I've never seen that before.
Hey, Beth. What's your name?
Mike,
Mike. Nice to meet you.
what's going on today?
She's drunk.
Hanging out. Having fun.
Too much fun.
You know these guys?
Kind of. I've like, gotten to know them a little bit tonight.
Oh.
She don't
you
know 'em.
But you didn't know them prior to tonight.
That's how the good porn
Know them
start.
Prior to tonight?
What was your distraction? No, it's not.
Oh, okay. Where you from?
Sheboygan, Wisconsin.
Sheboygan.
Sheboygan. It's Sheboygan boing
I
time.
love this. I love this. I'm so into it. I'm so into it. Bring
You know what? What the heck? What are you talking about, Karen?
it. Bring it. Bring it. Why?
Please.
She's crazy.
This is fun to me. This is very fun to me. Oh my god, just done. Just done. She's done. Why? Why do you want me to be quiet, sir? What's your name? Officer, officer.
Oh, yeah. Yo, ass going to jail.
What's your name? Kyle.
Yes.
Kyle.
Miss Mary Beth, we're gonna get you up to your room, okay?
Mary Beth?
I don't need a room. I don't need it.
Listen to me, okay? we're gonna escort you to your room. If you leave your room, you start causing a disturbance, you're gonna be asked to leave, okay? Do you understand that?
I don't give a.
So you wanna find a different
I don't give
hotel?
a. Yeah.
There's a difference between insanely drunk and just stupid. I think she's just stupid.
I don't give a.
You're not gonna stay in your room?
Yeah, really? Okay, really? Yeah, let's not do that. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. You guys are jokers, dude.
Let's go. Let's get you in your room.
No.
I got you.
No, we're not. We're not.
We're not fighting, we're going to bed. You're going to bed, he's going to bed.
I'll fight them then. I'll fight them alone. I don't give a.
Why both of these guys trying to take her to the bedroom? What the hell is really going on? See, 3, 2, 1. See, I knew something was off because both of them trying to get her to go to her room. Do like they know her? Are they friends with her? Because she just said that she ain't known them before today. And, you know, that's how she gets started. You know what I'm saying? Now you up on Twitter on the dirty pages and stuff, you know what I'm saying, get exploited, you know. So, hey, you better be careful, Mary Beth or Beth, whatever her name is.
He wants to speak with you, but
Please, Mary Beth.
The fight.
I will fight them alone.
You have to go to your room.
No, you don't have to fight at all.
Yes.
The front desk, what her room number is. You do?
God damn it, I hate that he knows that. But yes, that's true.
Mary Beth,
You probably told him.
Why?
Because you don't need to get arrested.
we want your best. He wants your best. He's the best man.
These guys are such gentlemen.
This is such a waste of resources. It's such a waste of resources.
I'm pretty sure, like, bro, she's so annoying. Oh! What the hell was that?
You shouldn't have done that.
They tried to help you.
Oh, you thinking like.
Police officer, dispatching ambulance, please.
What the hell happened to the screen?
Why would you have done that? My face is bleeding really bad.
Stop. Like, keep it going.
I just don't want to hurt that.
She bleeding.
Stop.
Damn.
Do you understand? Women need help. Do you understand that? What you just did was so brutal. What you did was so brutal. Women need help.
You just kicked me. Right?
Yeah, oh, I just kicked you. I just kicked you. Do you understand that? Like, you have more power over me?
No, we're just trying to help you get to your room.
Oh, give me, oh, goddamn. I had help in my room. I had these boys here. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Another 4.
Do you understand how big of a you guys are? Oh, there's no help.
Stop moving.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Are my boys here? Good luck. You're such a...
Stop.
Oh, stop. Stop. You guys are such...
Ma'am, do not kick or fight any of us. Please. Stop.
Well, then why don't you stop with me, dude?
We're just
why don't you stop with me? Why the...
She is so hammered. She is so hammered.
What the f... Yeah, I'm asking the same thing about you
Did they just blindfold her?
two. Alright. Like, Jesus Christ.
I know.
Whatever she had to drink, I don't want none of that shit. You hear me?
I know, you know that. You know that. Jesus Christ, get off my foot. Like, my foot.
I don't want to get kicked.
I'm not gonna kick you. Just, like, let me be.
Let me double lock.
Why are you guys so aggressive? Jesus Christ. I'm not gonna be mad, like...
Ma'am, you're under arrest.
Oh, okay, I won't. Okay, alright, fine. I'm not gonna arrest. I'm not gonna, like, be aggressive, but... Jesus Christ.
What?
I'll do it. I just can't get a complaint. I guess I should say.
Dude, are you guys bored? Are you guys bored?
I just don't like getting kicked in the chest.
Well, dude, fucking don't kick me, dude. Like, how do you think I feel? How do you think I feel? My head hurts. My head hurts.
Yeah. Is he over there? I don't know. Your keys are there.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, didn't Mike say call him or?
He definitely said call him.
Bothering you guys? Do you mind if can I just get a quick statement from you? Just what happened?
Not to.
What's that?
I'd really prefer not to. I just prefer if she can just go.
I mean, it turned in a little bit more than that,
fine.
so.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you tell me what happened before we were here?
Okay. So she took a beer out of one of our colleagues' arms.
Okay.
I asked her to leave,
Uh-huh.
and then she sat here. I asked her several times to leave. Belligerent. And then I can't tell you how many times I've asked her to leave.
Yeah, multiple.
And then my regional manager here talked to the front desk, and the front desk then contacted you folks, asked her.
Oh, they here on the business meeting, so they like just like chill drinking. They ain't like drinking to get fucked up because you know if your regional manager's right there, that's not really a good look.
And several times to leave,
Uh-huh.
and just would not go. That's when they.
What's a good phone number at work?
All right, let's see what she was charged with.
Be safe. I have a good rest of the night. Thank you.
The woman was charged with battery on law enforcement, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
Damn. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, oh God, and share it as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.